Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to utilize the train window effect on CapCut. So initially what we're going to want to do is go up to effects, video effects, light effect, and then scroll all the way down to find the train window effect. We're going to click and drag it down to the timeline, increase the speed, and now with the effect being highlighted, we can go up to the special effects tab and mess with the atmosphere and the speed. What we can also do is add a keyframe to it, right? So what we're going to do here is bring the player head to the beginning, go to the special effects tab, decrease the atmosphere and decrease the speed all the way down, add a key. Well, here, if I do this, okay, I need to come a little closer. There we go. Now we're going to bring the atmosphere all the way down, add two keyframes, and then bring the player head somewhere right here, increase the atmosphere, and then increase the speed all the way. And you guys can see how it is utilized. And there you have the train window effect. Guys, if this video was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.